Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Cindy Daychuk with Queen Bee Creations, and today we're going to be doing an old school craft. So this is something, oh my goodness, I think I remember doing in public school. We'll see if I remember how to do it now. But what you're going to need is a magazine, and not a super skinny one, but one that's got some substance to it, right? The thicker, well, kind of the thicker the better, really. So we're just going to take an old magazine rather than just tossing it. We're going to be using it. I'm going to turn you overhead or sort of overhead so that you can at least see what I'm doing. And then this is a perfect put on a movie, maybe a Hallmark Christmas movie, and continue until you're done kind of craft. You'll see what I mean. All right, we are going to take our magazine and we are going to, I just fold back the cover because it makes my life easier. It'll make yours easier too. We're going to take one page at a time. We are going to fold that top corner, that right-hand corner, down toward the middle until it's flush. And then we want to crease this good. Now, if you've got nails, you can run your nail along it. You can take a credit card. You can take a bone folder. You can take like a squeegee, just whatever is going to give you a nice, tight, crisp crease. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to fold this down in nice and flat right to the middle. And we're going to put a nice, tight, crisp crease in that. This bottom edge, I just find it easiest to kind of run a crease along the bottom, just flush with the edge of the magazine, so that I can see where I need to turn it up. And then again, nice crisp edge, turn it in toward the center. I kind of tuck it in at the center a little bit, and then fold it over. And then we're going to do it again. And we're going to continue to do this for every page. So this is where that Christmas movie kicks in. So whether you're into the Hallmark ones, whether you want to watch Elf, maybe you're like Bing and White Christmas. It's not Christmas if I don't see that movie. And we're just going to continue folding these, tucking each side in. Oh, tuck it in nice and tight. And then move it on to the next. When these trees are done, you can decorate them up any way you want. I mean, you could wrap lights around it, you could put a star on the top, you can leave them as is just so they're natural, or you could just do a little tiny zhuzhing, and that's what we're gonna do. I kind of like the look of the pages just kind of all natural, but we're gonna do just a bit. So I just have some spray glue. You could dust it with glue if you want, but spray glue I think works better because it kind of gets between the pages a little bit. And we are going to just roll this in sprinkles. And I do ultimately kind of pick them up and dust it so it gets in between pages. And I just kind of like doing the tip of it all. I just like kind of having, and don't forget the top. I just kind of like having the top all dusted. And if you think you're kind of missing some, just kind of spray it again and go again. So the idea with these is that they just become kind of a little bit of a decor piece. They're just a little bit fun, they're a little bit natural. You could spray them with, you know, the faux snow if you wanted. You could certainly put the lights around. I just like the little bit of dusting on them. This one was done with red. And then I just let them be. These look great to put up on pedestals. So you could put them up on a pedestal. You could have little greenery on the bottom. They're just a fun little accent. I'll dress them up for a pic for you so you could see them maybe up on a pedestal. I'll grab one from the shop somewhere. It's kind of old school, kind of fun for the kids. It's kind of a great use for an old magazine. You just get an extra little something for the buffet table or part of a vignette, and serves as a cool little backdrop perhaps. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you did these when you were a kid. It's been a long time since I've done them, so we're definitely talking old school here. As always, appreciate your being here. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, take care.